In today's video, I'll be showing you how to find and use an animated subscribe logo like this, using Videoleap and its connection to Giphy. I'll be using my iPhone, but the process on an iPad will be the same. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the app library and open up Videoleap by typing it in the search field. Once you locate Videoleap, tap on it once to open it. When Videoleap first opens, you'll see the templates. Tap on Projects, or you can tap on the plus sign to create a new project. But for this tutorial, I'm going to use an existing project, this project here. Once I open it, you can see that it's a video file, a collection of photos, and some music, although the audio has been removed for the purposes of this tutorial. If you're just starting out editing videos for YouTube or other platforms and you don't want to design your own subscribe logos, you can use the animated ones provided. To do that, simply move your playhead to the position where you want to place your animated subscribe logo. Then tap on Stickers and you'll see two options, Giphy and Videoleap. Make sure Giphy is selected at the top. Tap in the search field and type subscribe. Once you've typed subscribe in the search field, tap on Enter to bring up all the choices Giphy has for a subscribe logo. You've got all these choices here. Scroll down until you find one that you like. Once you've found an animated logo that you like, just tap on it. It will be loaded into your project. I'm going to use the one at the top, the first one that you saw. That's the one I used at the beginning of this video. To choose your subscribe logo, just tap on it. You'll notice that it comes into the project at the position of the playhead. Tap on the balloon thumbnail if you need to move the subscribe animated sticker into position. Pinch with your fingers to zoom the clip out a little bit and notice how and where the clip ends. You should trim the clip by tapping the split icon and getting rid of the portion on the right. That way, the clip is only as long as it needs to be. Because there's animation when the clip appears on screen, you can add animation when it disappears off screen. As it is now, it just disappears when the clip ends. To add your own animation, like you see in the beginning part here, just select the clip and then tap the animation icon. Choose any animation that you like. Just tap on it to choose it. I'm going to use slide down. This will give the clip animation when it comes in and it appears on screen, and when it goes out and disappears off screen. Make sure that out is selected in this case, because if you look in the animation panel, you have three choices: in, out, and loop. Just choose any animation that looks good to you. When you choose an animation, like this one here, use the slider to adjust the duration. I'm going to leave it as is because that's fine. Now, I'll play the clip and let's take a look at it. It slides in. You see each icon clicked and it slides down when it disappears off screen. When you're happy with the result, tap on the export button to export the video. Change the export and resolution settings and then tap on save. The app will take a minute and save the exported video to your camera roll. Let's take a look. watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.